Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Particularly this video will also be applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 as well. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to boot into the fast boot mode or bootloader mode using two different methods. So this will surely be helpful for you because now almost there is no hope that we will be getting any Android 10 stable version in the coming days or coming months and so on from Asus, because it's almost 1 year from now when they have released beta 1, and still we have been stuck in beta 5 version after almost 1 year and nearly about 15 to 16 days. So now let me confirm you before demonstrating the actual purpose. So currently we are on Android 10 base version, although I have already created this video in Android Pie as well, but few users have doubts, so I thought let's create a dedicated video in Android 10. So this is Android 10. Now we'll move to the actual agenda. So for that, firstly you have to power off your phone by pressing on power button and then tapping on power button. Once it will be completely shut down, just wait for 4 to 5 seconds so that all the components behind this particular phone will also be properly shut down. Once that particular 4 to 5 seconds time frame will be over, then you just have to tap on power button and volume up button simultaneously, and it will directly boot into the CS mode, or I would say fast boot mode or bootloader mode. So again, like in my previous video, you have seen that we have turned on the developer options, then USB debugging mode and so on. So basically using those USB, if you have turned on the USB debugging mode, then using that you can run few fast boot mode commands and so on. So this will surely be helpful for you. Now we'll be moving to the second way to boot into the fast boot mode. So for that, firstly we have to press on power key button so that we can shut down the process, or I would say phone, properly, and again wait for just 4 to 5 seconds so that all the components behind this particular phone will also be properly shut down. This time we have to press on power button and volume down button. So keep on pressing. Once you will see this Android button, just release the power button, and afterward just keep on pressing the volume down button, and by this way you will be directly booting into the stock recovery mode. As you have already seen that in my previous video where we have discussed about how to wipe the like cache partition or clear the cache partition, it is the same menu options, or I would say stock recovery mode. So in this to boot into the bootloader mode, this time you will be selecting second option, that is reboot to bootloader. So after selecting reboot to bootloader, just press on power button and our phone will be rebooted again, and this time it will be booted to the CSE fast boot mode or bootloader mode and so on. So using these two methods, you can boot into the fast boot mode or bootloader mode, and you can perform any things. Like if you are planning to do the installation of like unlocking the bootloader, then you have to boot into the bootloader mode. If you are planning to, I would say, flash the custom recovery mode, then again you have to boot into the fast boot mode and so on. So this was all from my side related to how to boot into the bootloader mode using two different methods in Android 10 for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.